Hi children, good morning. Today we'll start Standard 8 Science, chapter number 13, Chemical Change and Chemical Bond. Okay. Now children, in previous standards, in previous lessons, you have studied about different chemical changes. Am I right? Yes. Examples are ripening of fruit, ripening of mango. Yes? Very good. So you have studied it. Melting of ice, boiling of water, dissolution of salt in water. Yes. Now we'll do some examples or activities. Let's see the activities. Okay. Before that, just look at the picture which I have given in this video. This picture is showing us some observations of chemical change. So let's see. All of you are looking in the picture? Yes. Now what's the activity we'll see? Take the lemon juice in a clean glass, okay? And take 2 drops of lemon juice in a spoon and taste it. After tasting, what you have to do? Just add little bit baking soda to that glass of lemon juice. And you will see that bubbles are coming out of that glass when you will add baking soda. Now children tell me, did you hear the sound when you go near to the glass? Did it taste sour as it was in the beginning? After that adding baking soda, you can again taste it and see whether it is sour as it was in the beginning. Sour म्हणजे आंबट. Yes. Now see, many perceivable observations are noticed during the above activity. A gas is seen to be liberating in the form of bubbles. A gas is coming out in the form of bubbles. A low sound, a very little sound is heard there. The white solid particles of baking soda disappear. Yes. So the original sour taste becomes mild. Original taste becomes now little bit mild, little bit less sour or diminishes. From this it is understood that new substance having different taste is formed. So see, new substance is formed which is having totally different state, different taste. Yes. At the end of the above change, the taste of substance was different, means its composition was different. त्याचं composition, त्याचं आतलं chemical composition वेगळं होतं, टेस्ट वेगळी झाली म्हणजे. So during the above change, the composition of original substance changed to form new substance with different properties. बघा, जे मेन सबस्टन्स आहे त्याचं कंपोजिशन चेंज झालं आणि नवीन सबस्टन्स, नवीन प्रॉपर्टीचा नवीन सबस्टन्स तुमचा तयार झाला. Thus, the change that takes place on adding baking soda to lemon juice is a chemical change. So this change, when the all composition, all the properties are changed, then it is called as chemical change. Sometimes some characteristic observations are perceived during a chemical change. Now see the example, apples. Now the apple change is there here. You can clearly see the change. White and brown apple. The one side has become brown, one side has become white. Your bread. Yes, your pins are there, nails are there. Yes. So a banana, see the bananas. And see here, up is pink, white. And here also it's totally different. Change in color, taste, release of gases. Gases are coming out. Taste is changed. Yes? So there's some of the observations in chemical changes. Yes. So let's see the next part, children. Now see. Chemical change and word equation. During a chemical change, chemical composition of original matter changes and new substances having different properties and different composition are formed. म्हणजे ओरिजिनल मॅटरचे सगळे प्रॉपर्टीज चेंज होणार आहेत आणि नवीन प्रॉपर्टीज नवीन सबस्टन्स तुमचं काय होणार आहे, तयार होणार आहे. अ केमिकल इक्वेशन कॅन बी रिटन फॉर द केमिकल चेंज. केमिकल चेंज असेल तर आपल्याला एक इक्वेशन लिहू शकतो, त्याला केमिकल इक्वेशन म्हणायचं. इफ द एक्झॅक्ट चेंज इन केमिकल कंपोजिशन इज नोन. Names and chemical formulae of original substance and new substance are used while writing a chemical equation. म्हणजे नेम्स आणि केमिकल फॉर्म्युले आहेत ज्या सबस्टन्सेसचे ते वापरायला लागतात केमिकल इक्वेशन लिहिताना. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, when baking soda is added to lemon juice, A chemical change takes place in citric acid present in lemon juice. आपण जेव्हा वरचं लेमन ज्यूसचं एक्झाम्पल घेतलं तर त्या लेमन ज्यूस मध्ये कुठलं ऍसिड असतं? सायट्रिक ऍसिड. म्हणजे सायट्रिक ऍसिड मध्ये तुमचं काय होतं? केमिकल चेंज होतो. ओके. अँड इन्स्टेड ऑफ सायट्रिक ऍसिड कार्बन डायऑक्साइड गॅस इज फॉर्म्ड. सो द वर्ड इक्वेशन कॅन बी रिटन ॲज वर्ड इक्वेशन म्हणजे वर्ड्स मध्ये लिहायचं झालं तर काय लिहू शकता तुम्ही? सायट्रिक ऍसिड प्लस सोडियम बायकार्बोनेट. सायट्रिक ऍसिड काय आहे? ऍसिड आहे. सोडियम बायकार्बोनेट अल्कली आहे. गिव्स कार्बन डायऑक्साइड. काय देतं तुम्हाला? काय बाहेर पडतं? कार्बन डायऑक्साइड. द मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला काय आहे? CO2 प्लस सोडियम सायट्रेट. ती काय आहे? सॉल्ट आहे. मग ऍसिड प्लस अल्कली गिव्स बेस. येस, कार्बन डायऑक्साइड प्लस ऍसिड प्लस बेस gives gas plus water. So it is reaction of neutralization. This reaction is neutralization. I've studied it in last chapter only. Yes, acid base. Okay. Now always remember it's not for syllabus. We'll see the next part. So here while writing the chemical equation, arrow which we have drawn, arrow indicates what? Arrow indicates the direction of the reaction. In which direction is the reaction going to happen? That is indicated by the arrow. Okay. Yes. The substances which are written on the left side, they are the original substances and they are called as reactants. Arrowच्या लेफ्ट साइडला जे सबस्टन्स लिहिलं जातं त्याला काय म्हणायचं? रिएक्टंट्स. आणि राईट साइडला असतं त्याला काय म्हणायचं? प्रोडक्ट्स. काय म्हणायचं? प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके. नाउ we'll study some chemical changes. First is natural changes. In that first natural change we'll see respiration with the word equation and the chemical equation. Okay. So respiration. Respiration is basically a biological process. In this process, we inhale air. We take the air inside and give carbon dioxide out. After an in-depth study, it is learned that after we study it deeply, after we study it more about it, we can come to know that glucose in the cell reacts with oxygen. There is glucose in a cell and that glucose type of sugar reacts with oxygen in the air to form carbon dioxide and water. So how can we write the word equation? See children, glucose plus oxygen in presence of respiration, arrow is there, gives carbon dioxide plus water. Now see the chemical equation. What is the chemical formula of glucose? C6H12O6 plus chemical formula of oxygen O2 gives carbon dioxide is CO2 and water is H2O. So C6H12O6 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. Yes. So try this. We'll do it when you will come back to your school. Yes. Now let's see the next part. B number, photosynthesis. All of you know photosynthesis? This is the process done by plants. Yes, the process of production of food in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So see the word equation children. Carbon dioxide plus water in presence of sunlight, green plants do it. And they give out glucose plus oxygen. So chemical equation, carbon dioxide is CO2 plus water H2O. In presence of sunlight, green plants perform it. Glucose C6H12O6 plus oxygen is O2. Understood children? Yes. Now next part is man-made chemical changes. Let's see what are man-made chemical changes. Now there are different changes, different chemical changes which are brought about by man for our use in everyday life. So let's see the first example of man-made chemical change. That is combustion of fuels. Now see, wood, coal, petrol or cooking gas are burnt for getting the energy. So the carbon compound combine with oxygen. The carbon combines here with oxygen and forms carbon dioxide. So word equation is carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. So chemical equation C plus O2 gives CO2. Now combustion of fuel is fast and irreversible. Irreversible means it cannot come back. Once carbon plus oxygen forms carbon dioxide, so from carbon dioxide we cannot again form the oxygen and carbon. एकदा तुम्ही तयार केली परत उलट तुम्ही तयार करू शकत नाही. It is very fast and irreversible change. Okay. Next part. Next man-made change. Cleaning Shahabad tile with dilute hydrochloric acid. Shahabad stone असतो का नाही? Shahabad. Yes. So cleaning that Shahabad tile with dilute hydrochloric acid is one of the chemical change. So the chemical composition of Shahabad tile is mainly calcium carbonate. It contains the element or the compound called calcium carbonate. During its cleaning with dilute hydrochloric acid, the upper layer of tile ची वरची layer, it reacts with hydrochloric acid and 3 products are formed. बघा 3 substances form होतात. Yes. One is calcium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. Yes. So word equation काय करू शकतो आपण त्याला? Calcium carbonate plus hydrochloric acid gives calcium chloride plus carbon dioxide plus water. मग ह्याचं जे केमिकल इक्वेशन आहे ते मी तुम्हाला नोटबुक मध्ये किंवा नोट्स मध्ये तुम्हाला देणार आहे. ओके. येस. नेक्स्ट इज सॉफ्टनिंग ऑफ हार्ड वॉटर. बघा, सम वेल्स or tube wells have hard water. It is brackish to taste. It is nothing. It is a little bit bitter to taste, and does not form lather, foam. Foam तयार होत नाही with soap. This is because hard water contains chloride and sulfate salts of calcium and magnesium in dissolved state. भरपूर salts असतात त्याच्या dissolved state मध्ये. To soften, to make the hard water soft, a solution of washing soda is added. म्हणजे ऍड काय करतो? Washing soda. This results in chemical reaction. This also forms a chemical reaction. So let's see the word equation of this reaction. Calcium chloride plus sodium carbonate gives calcium carbonate plus sodium chloride. So chemical equation, CaCl2 plus Na2CO3 gives CaCO3 plus NaCl. Calcium carbonate means CaCO3. Okay. Yes. So let's see next part. Okay. The next part is chemical bond. Okay. Next part is chemical bond. These chemical bonds we will be studying in next video. Okay. Bye bye.